Hello, everyone. Welcome to this guided meditation session for stress reduction. In today's session, we will be exploring the practice of self-guided meditation. Self-guided meditation is a great way to reduce stress and anxiety in your life. It is a practice that you can do at any time, in any place, and for any length of time. In this session, we will be focusing on reducing stress through a self-guided meditation. So let's get started. The first step in self-guided meditation is to find a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair, on the floor, or even lie down. Make sure that you are comfortable and relaxed in your position. The next few steps is to take deep breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose. Hold the breath for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this process a few times until you feel relaxed and calm. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice how your breath moves in and out of your body. You can count your breaths or simply observe the sensation of your breath moving in and out. As you focus on your breath, thoughts may come into your mind. This is completely normal. Instead of getting caught up in your thoughts, simply observe them and let them go. You can imagine your thoughts as clouds passing by in the sky. Now, visualize a peaceful place in your mind. It can be a beach, a forest, or any other place that makes you feel calm and relaxed. Imagine yourself in this place, surrounded by peace and serene. If you find your mind wandering, you can repeat a mantra or an affirmation to yourself. This can be a word or a phrase that makes you feel calm and centered. Some easy examples include, I am at peace, or I am calm and relaxed. When you are ready to end your meditation, take a few deep breaths and bring your attention back to your body. Take a moment to feel grateful for this time you have given yourself to reduce stress and increase your well-being. That's it for today's session on guided meditation for stress reduction using self-guided meditation. Remember, you can do this practice at any time and in any place. It is a powerful tool for reducing stress and anxiety in your life. Thank you for joining me. and I wish you peace and tranquility.